Hey everybody! Get ready for an adventure because today we're going on a virtual trip to the incredible country of South Africa. I'm talking breathtaking landscapes, amazing wildlife, vibrant cities, and enough sunshine to make you smile. We'll be exploring everything from the bustling streets of Johannesburg to the serene beaches of Cape Town. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your virtual passport, pack your sense of adventure, and let's get this South African adventure started. First up, we're touching down in Joburg, also known as the City of Gold. Johannesburg is a city bursting with energy, history, and a whole lot of heart. Start by immersing yourself in the history at the Apartheid Museum. It's a powerful and moving experience. Get ready to groove to the rhythm of the city at one of the many markets. From traditional crafts to delicious street food, it's a feast for the senses. The people of Johannesburg are some of the friendliest and most welcoming you'll ever meet. Be sure to take a break from all the city excitement and head to the top of the Carlton Center. The view from up there? Absolutely breathtaking. When it comes to food, Johannesburg has something for everyone. Try a bunny chow, a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with delicious curry. Johannesburg, a city that's as vibrant and diverse as its people. It's a place where history, culture, and good vibes collide. Next up, we're trading the cityscapes for some serious scenic beauty as we head to Rustenburg. Imagine towering mountains, lush greenery, and a sense of tranquility. Rustenburg is home to the majestic Magaliesberg mountain range, a hiker's paradise. Whether you're up for a challenging climb or a leisurely stroll, the views from the top are simply breathtaking. If you're feeling adventurous, try ziplining through the canopy. Rustenburg is also home to the legendary Sun City Resort. Think sparkling pools, world-class golf courses, and enough entertainment to keep you busy for days. When in Rustenburg, you have to try a traditional South African braai. It's a barbecue, but so much better. Rustenburg has something for everyone. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, indulge in a little luxury, and create lasting memories. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to embark on an unforgettable safari adventure in Kruger National Park. Get ready to witness the incredible diversity of African wildlife in their natural habitat. The best way to experience Kruger is on a game drive. Imagine cruising through the bush in an open-air vehicle, the sun on your face, and the thrill of spotting a pride of lions lounging in the shade. Be sure to keep your eyes peeled for the Big Five: lions, elephants, leopards, rhinos, and Cape buffalo. When it comes to accommodation, Kruger offers a range of options from rustic campsites to luxurious lodges. Kruger National Park, a wildlife enthusiast's dream come true. It's a place where you can witness the raw beauty of nature and connect with the animal kingdom. Get ready to soak up the sun because we're heading to the coastal paradise of Durban. This vibrant city is renowned for its golden beaches, warm Indian Ocean waters, and a laid-back atmosphere. Durban's Golden Mile is a must-visit. This iconic stretch of coastline is lined with beaches, promenades, and plenty of opportunities for fun in the sun. Durban is a melting pot of cultures. You'll find influences from India, Africa, and Europe, creating a unique and vibrant atmosphere. Be sure to explore the city's markets, sample the delicious street food, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Durban is a foodie's paradise. Try a bunny chow, which originated in Durban. And if you're a seafood lover, indulge in some fresh catches. Durban's markets are a must-visit. From traditional crafts to clothing and souvenirs, you're sure to find something special to take home. Durban, a city that's as vibrant and diverse as its people. It's a place where you can relax on pristine beaches, immerse yourself in different cultures, and indulge in delicious food. Get ready to be wowed, because our final stop takes us to one of the most beautiful cities in the world, Cape Town. This stunning city is nestled between towering mountains and the sparkling ocean. No trip to Cape Town is complete without a visit to Table Mountain. This iconic landmark dominates the city skyline, and offers panoramic views. Once you've had your fill of mountain views, head down to the V&A waterfront. This bustling hub is home to shops, restaurants, and plenty of entertainment. Cape Town has it in spades. This city is bursting with creativity, from its street art to its vibrant music scene. Explore the different neighborhoods, each with its own unique character and charm. For all you wine lovers, Cape Town is a dream destination. Just a short drive from the city center, you'll find some of the most beautiful vineyards in the world. Cape Town, a city that truly has it all: stunning natural beauty, vibrant culture, delicious food, and enough adventure to satisfy even the most intrepid traveler. And there you have it, folks. Our whirlwind tour of South Africa has come to an end, but the memories will last a lifetime. From the bustling streets of Johannesburg to the serene beaches of Cape Town, South Africa has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.